This is Pioneer's AVH-3400NEX. This is an in-dash 1-DIN AM/FM, CD, and DVD receiver with a 7-inch motorized flip-out touchscreen with detachable face security. The AVH-3400NEX is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Apple HomeKit when connected to a compatible iPhone using a wired connection through USB. The AVH-3400NEX is also compatible with Android Auto and Google Assistant when connected to a compatible Android phone with a wired connection through USB. The AVH-3400NEX has 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers and is backup camera ready and Sirius XM ready. The USB port can be used to connect your phone and playback MP3 or FLAC music and MP4 videos. The system features built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right. We'll start off here with the wire harness, and we use the wire harness here to connect power, ground, speakers, and so forth to the vehicle. Next up, we have some various mounting screws. Next, we have the Bluetooth microphone. Now, the Bluetooth microphone here comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for a very flexible installation. Then we have a USB extension because the USB port is on the back of this in-dash receiver. We include a USB extension in the box to bring the USB port up into the passenger compartment. Next, we have the wireless remote control. There's the wireless remote control included in the box. Okay, here is the quick start guide and installation guide. You can download a complete copy of the owner's manual from pioneerelectronics.com. And finally, we have the warranty card. There's the warranty card. So let's pull the receiver up out of here. The AVH-3400NEX features a fully motorized 7-inch flip-out touchscreen. The volume control is here, and the home key and display keys are here. This is the voice activation key. The CD and DVD player is just below the motorized screen. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver with the 7-inch touchscreen. And of course, detachable face security. The back panel of the AVH-3400NEX starts off with the USB port that can be used for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. The USB port can also be used for music, movies, and still images through a USB thumb drive. And remember, we include a USB extension in the box to bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. The yellow port is for adding on the optional AVIC-U280 navigation system from Pioneer. You'll use this port for the optional SXV300 tuner from Sirius XM. The Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver will plug in right here. And this jack can be used to operate your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. The AVH-3400NEX has 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and subwoofer out, or for more control and better sound quality, high, mid, and low output. Here is the audio and video RCA input and RCA video output. The brown jack here is the dedicated backup camera input. This is the audio and video auxiliary input. This is where you'll plug in the power and ground wire harness connected to the vehicle. And finally, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. And that is Pioneer's AVH-3400NEX and what's in the box.